Page 321 is one at the top of the page. Again, they give you a melody and some chords, and they want you to harmonize to it. They say harmonize the melody. Now, is that fancy or what? Just, you have a melody, and you got to figure out a harmony that goes along with it. Okay. Well, let's see what the melody sounds like. It's one flat, and it ends on an F. I'm guessing we're in F major. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Don't care for their fingering, but it works. You can do that if you want. If you don't want to be doing that here, that first is okay because it's sort of like a scale. But in measure 5, rather than you have to do 4, you can do 2 because you got 2 B flats in measure 5. You can change there and then 4. So I can do a 2 and then a 4. Yeah, it's whatever. That's the melody. Now let's see what this harmony is like. We have an F major 7 chord, which is an F chord with a major 7th. Remember, the MAG goes to the 7th, not the chord. The F chord with a major 7th, which is here. Because normally an F7 chord would be a minor 7th hit. But here. And now we have an A minor 7. Well, that's an A minor chord with a minor 7th. Because if they wanted the major 7th, they got to put in the MAG. So A minor here, somewhere. I'm going down here. With a minor 7th. See, the 7th would be here, but it's here. That's a minor. This is a minor 7th, an interval of a minor 7th. So it's there. And then we want a B flat with a major 7th. Well, B flat chord is there. We add the major 7th. It's 1/2 step below that. It's here. Because a minor 7th would be a whole step below the tonic. And then we have a G minor 7. Well, that's a G minor chord with a minor 7th. Well, that's, again, the minor 7th is a whole step below the tonic. See? And then a C7, which is a C chord with a minor 7th. Remember that we're a whole step below the tonic. And then a D minor 7. Well, D minor's here with a minor 7th. G minor 7. Then a D flat 7. Well, there's a D flat chord. And the minor 7th is going to be a whole step below the D sharp, D flat. So it's here. So that's a D flat 7. And then a C7. And then an F. Then I just want to hear what the harmony sounds like. So I'm just going to do block chords here. We're going to do an F minor 7, F major 7 here. So it's and then A minor 7 is here. It's here. Because the A minor, yes. The A is here and I'm a whole step below for the minor 7th here. And then I'm here, a B flat major 7 here with a, because a minor 7th, the B flat, a minor 7th is a whole step below, but a major 7th is a half step below. And back to the A minor. G minor 7, C7, minor 7. Here. See, an A, it sounds strange in measure 5, but it's an A7 chord. That is an A major chord, not an A minor chord, because if they wanted A minor, they put a little M behind it. It's like the second measure. That's A minor. This is A major with a minor 7th. So that's it. And then a D minor 7, minor 7th. And then G minor 7. And then a D flat 7 here. C7, F. Now the instructions, they want a couple things. The first one is using the bottom note of the chord of the indicated 7th chord. They're all 7th chords, did you notice, except the last one? So we're just going to use the bottom note. In other words, you're reading the letters. The A, F, A, B flat, A, G, C, A, D. You're reading the letters. That's all you're doing. That's it. B flat, A, G, letters for the chords to here. Okay. A lot of times when you're improvising, you will do that for the left hand. You'll just play the root of the chord in the left hand, and you'll play some inversion of the chord or a broken chord or something in the right hand. That's a lot of improvising does that. Now, the second one they want you to do is they want you to use the indicated root position. Well, I already did that. Exactly where you are is up to you. You don't want to get too low because it gets muddy. You want to be up as high as you can, but stay out of the way of the melody. So we could try that here. A7, B flat majors, G minor 7, that's here. C7, I can't be up here, and then here. I'm trying to keep the left hand as high as I can without getting in the way of the melody. Of course, I could take the melody up an octave and do it all up here. And then I can play it up here. Then I can play it up here, might sound a little better. However, the melody's written here, so I was trying to do it here like I'm supposed to, blah, blah, blah. Anyway. Have fun with it. See what you can do.